So we've spoken about assets, and now we're going to speak about passive income. So what is passive income? And also passive income versus a job, and job stands for just over broke. So passive income is basically getting income without working for it directly, so without swapping your time for money. You do have to work very hard initially to set up passive income generally, but then with just a minimal effort, money will just flow into your bank account. So for an example, if you write a book, you have to really work hard to write the book, and you won't get any income while you're writing the book. But once it's written and published, then you will get money. And very few people get rich working only in a job. People do work in a job, but then they save their money and they build assets. And the reason why that you can't really get very wealthy in a job is because basically you exchange your time for money, and we've all got a limited amount of time, so therefore you can only make as much money as that. And even if you do a job like a physiotherapist or a dentist or something like that, you can set up a practice. And if you're a dentist, and then you have a hygienist working with you, for instance, so that you get a percentage of their income, or get other dentists working for you as well. And that is the way to get passive income if you have got a profession where you swap time for money. So P is also for property and pensions.